Which of them are the part of sport? Planning, organizing, staffing, and directing and controlling. All of the above. All of the above is correct. Pre-work of organizing secretary are good planning, staffing, grouping, and their corporation. Rise fund. All of the above. The correct answer is good planning. Tournament technical community work are to play look at the stay arranged of player, to provide transportation of the player, to conduct match as per rule of the game, to provide first aid to provide a player during match. Tournament technical committee work are to look at the stay arrangement of the player, to conduct of the match as per rule of the game. The answer is correct. To conduct match as per rule of the game is option number C is correct. In knockout tournament, team has a play large number of match. Play one match, get by, and play till we are winning. The correct answer is D. The play it till they are winning. Next, buy is given when there is a large number of team. League tournament advantage to play in second round. There is one odd of team. The correct answer is advantage to play in second round. Buy is given when advantage to play in second round. The number of match in round robin tournament is where n is number of team. N bracket n minus 1 and upon 2 is correct answer. The number of match in round robin tournaments is where n is number of team. Bracket n minus 1 and 2 is correct. Management require using the available resource, good coordination among the various committee, well play. All of the above. The correct answer is all of the above. Management require all of the above. The number of match in double league. The correct answer is n into n minus 1 is correct. Privilege to play directly in quarter final is called seeding. Privilege to team player to play directly quarter final is called seeding. Team player placed at beneficiary place is known as seeding. Team player placed at beneficiary place is known as seeding. League tournament is also termed as elimination tournament, challenge tournament, seeding tournament, round robin tournament. The league tournament is also termed as round robin tournament. If there are 23 teams in knockout tournament, then the number of bye will be option number C 9. If there are 23 teams in knockout tournament, then the number of bye will be 9. Which of the following type of tournament is cobweb tournament? Challenge is the following of the tournament is cobweb tournament. 14. In British League method, the winner is decided by percentage of point obtained upon total possible point. In British League method, the winner is decided by percentage of point obtained the total possible point. Next, which of them is combination tournament? League cum knockout is combination tournament. Which of the following combination is combination tournament? League cum knockout is a combination tournament. In cyclic tournament, the term are rotate clockwise. In cyclic tournament, the team are rotated clockwise. Inter-school competition are called extramural. Inter-school competition are called extramural competition. Yes, extramural. Option number B. Seeding method help in elimination of weak team. Seeding method help in elimination of weak team. Umpire, refer, record, time keeper are part of. Umpire, refers, record, timekeeper are parts of technical committee. In league tournament, as team get a chance to play all other Onstein and till lost all other. C option is correct. The by of number in knockout fixture of 17 team are play 57. The total number of match in knockout tournament of 23 are 33. Total number of match in knockout tournament of 23 are 33. League tournament is also known as round robin. League tournament is also known as round robin. What is the formula calculate the number of match in single league? Or what is the formula to calculate the number of match in league fix? N bracket 1 minus n minus 1 upon 2. Which one of the following is advantage of round robin tournament? Decide the real strong team. Is the following the advantage of round robin tournament? Planning should be specific, logic, and flexible. All of these. Publishing rule and regulation for the tournament is work. Publishing rule and regulation for tournament is pre-work. Tie and heat is also named as fixture in some sport activity. Tie and heat is also named as fixture in some sport activity. Arrange the team competition match in progressive order of play is arranging the team for competitive match in progressive order to play. Tie, fixture, heat, all. Which of the following is good when there is a large number of teams from different regions across India? Which of the tournament is good when there is the large number of teams from different regions across India? Combination tournament. Which of the tournament is good when there is a large number of teams from the different region across India? Combination tournament. Match type questions. A match list first with the second. Technical committee, convener, acceleration committee, award committee. To make various that the rule and regulation are strictly followed through the tournament at the prevent and the hydration force. Does play in does play field and make it market equipment prosument help in make the fixture and conduct of the match by it official like referee, umpire, judge, timekeeper. Manage the guest official during open and closing ceremony, welcome and species prize distribution, etc. To all of the plan work for the success of tournament. Option number B, first, second, for second, fourth, third, first, and fourth, third. Match list first with second. Number of match in knockout tournament 11 team. Number of match in staircase league tournament of 11 team. Number of match in round robin tournament of 11 team. Number of match in league cum knockout tournament of 11 team is second pool. List number second 25 25 55 55 10. So first of all, first is going on fourth, and second is going on second, and third is going on third, and first second is going on first. The option, yeah, option is C is correct. Third, match list number one team is knocked out in tournament with a list second. First list number first 13 team, 19 team, 23 team, 37 team, 9 byte, 3 byte, 27 byte, 13 byte. Option number C is correct. Match first list number of list league in tournament with second list number of match. First list 6 team, 8 team, 13 team, 16 team. For 78, 122, 15, 23. uh, Option number A is correct. Elimination tournament, seeding tournament, league cum tournament, combination tournament. As previous performance team are play at beneficiary. A team once lose it out. A team has to play with all team is irrespective lose of draw. A team has to clear two stages of a cluing of the knockout tournament. Second, first, and third and fourth is correct. Question number 6. By seeding round robin challenge, improve ranking by the completing in a systematic way. Ex- Exemption of play in first round. Playing or sorting good team is so team they should not have initial round. Competitive with all other team in group. First, second, and third and fourth and first. Match list first with second list. Number of match is knockout. number of match in league round, number formula for calculating number of bye, no number of team in upper half in case of other odd of team is first option number C 13 first and second 14. This is correct.